That's very nice.
Oh my god! Wow!
Yeah, boy.
Nice.
Hey, what is going on there?
This is my empire. Go out now.
Why so? It is crazy. This is very serious. Please come out.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
This is my empire. Go out now.
Hey, what is going on here?
You need to be careful.
Okay, don't worry. I'm super driver now.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Hey guys, how can we do to help our friend?
There is no way. Let's find some help.
Please relax. I'm going to help you. There is an accident. We need some help. Please just follow me.
This fire is very dangerous. Please stay away, guys.
Go, go, go! Okay, let's go.
Everyone stay away. We are here to help you.
Nice.
It's a time for bridge construction. You can go!
Okay, let's make some magic bridge.
Okay, thank you guys.
What is this? It's look like this road has obstacle. Okay, let me wait here.
Hey guys, there is no way to pass here. Hey sister, we need your help.
Okay, wait. I have got an idea, so please relax. Please, we need help. The road has an obstacles.
Okay, let's go.
Hello there.
It's not what it looks like.
Yeah, boy.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Okay, thank you. Ooh, my God, what is this again?
Hey, we need to go back, guys. This way is not good for us.
Hey, what are you doing?
It's looked like there is a monster, so be careful. No, I'm going to report him.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Hey, we need help. Please just follow me. Hey, please bring our friend out. We can shut you now.
Enemy down.
No, no! What happened in this road? It's very dangerous. Let me wait.
Yeah, boy.
You have to go.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Hey, you, what are you doing? This is Magic Bridge. Let's help them. You wake up, we have got a task. Let's go now. We need to do hurry up, my bro.
It's a time for bridge construction now.